Welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Here is our part 2 hair mail for this one's 3 from Paula Young. I got Victoria. I know when I did my live, someone had asked for Victoria, so I don't remember. Oh, I can't remember who asked, but someone asked for Victoria. And so I bought Victoria in A812A, which I believe is pecan. I got Dallas that oh gosh, I thought I ordered it, but then it got canceled. So I ordered Dallas in a 4, and then I got the razored lob. Hold on, they fell. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, and now what I have on, oh my God, this is out of the box. This is Britt from Tony or Beverly. And this is Lilac Meringue. Isn't she gorgeous? I don't want to take her off. I don't want to take her off. I love the layers and the face framing. But she's in the other hair mail, so you'll see all the deets in the other hair mail that I post. I don't know which one's going up first. All right, so let's start. So Razored Lob is from the Synergy collection. And I got her in, I hate that they don't say the color. I don't know what the color name is. It's EX5 12 24 pound 6. The Razored Lob. Okay, so let's open her up. All right, and we've got, okay, she is not inside out. She does have a netting over her. So let's take her out of the box and see what we got. She's got some stuffing in there, so we'll take the stuffing out. We'll take the netting off. Okay, take the netting off. Okay, yeah, look at her. She's got lots of dimension. Look at all those colors in there. Okay, see it all? See it all. Yep, and so she's got the razored edge. I think I'm gonna like her. Let's take a look at her cap. So she's got a basic cap, no lace front, velvet ears, and then, oh, look at, my thing is broke. Aww. My thing is broke. I don't want to send it back. All right, and then we've got an extended nape. I'm going to try to just glue that. Yep. I am going to try to just glue that. Don't want to send it back. Let's see. Let's see first how she looks. So I'm not going to shake them up. Want to see what they look like out of the box. Britt, I'm really sorry, dear. I know I love you, but you gotta go. Oh my God, I am so feeling myself in this wig. Oh God. I might have to get Britt in a couple other colors. Gorgeous. That one and the blue one. Wait until you see the blue one. And the other one. Straight blue. Beautifully made. Beautifully from Amazon. All right, so let's see what the Razored Lob looks like. Okay, so she has a right side part. Okay. Let's pull it up a little bit. Let's see. Can we pull? I don't know how it wants to go. I like this edginess. Don't know what I want to do with this. And before I cut bangs, I am definitely going to take a peek at the picture this time. Let me see if we can get, yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, so there's a lot of, you see that won't even go over. It's like, no, no thanks. Yeah. All right, we're going to have to play with her, but this is out of the, oh, this is out of the box, right? And that's all we're doing. Taking a peek at what they look like out of the box and see what I have, see what I got. She has potential. I love the color. All right, let me show you the all sides. This is my right. This is the back. And this is the left. Now, if I send this back, do I have to pay anything because the thing is broke? You know, the extended, you know, the extenders or the adjusters is broke. Do I have to pay for anything? That's my thing. If I gotta pay for anything, I'm just gonna glue it. But if I can return it and get one that works, then I'm gonna do that. All right, what'd you think of Razored Lob? I don't know, I'm not crazy about the front, so I love the colors, I love the sides. Really got to see if that's tameable. It's the way that it's sewn in, there's not a lot of, it's all sewn right into the front there, so I don't know how much I could do with it. It's not like the wefting is, okay, this is Victoria, sorry. Yeah, anyway, let's move on. I wasn't that crazy about that. All right, here is Victoria. I got her in the 812A, I think is pecan. Yep. Okay. And let's she's got lots of stuffing. Take the stuffing out and take the netting off. And let's see. Okay. Here's the color. This is a short one. All right, so she's got basic cap. She's got normal basic open ear, extended, just a wefted extended nape, Velcro adjusters. Okay. So now you're not going to see the whole real effect of Victoria, right, without some, you know, piece out and some messing with it. But I thought it was very stylish in the book, in the catalog, and online. So you're not going to find, oh, this is all in my thing. Okay. So this is Victoria. Right, she's got a nice pointed, let's see if we just move her, just some very basic shaping. How does she want to go? Leave me a comment too down below. I forget who asked for Victoria. When I did the live, somebody asked if I had Victoria. So I like that. All right, so let me show you all sides. This is going to be really, really cute. I'm really liking it. I know it doesn't look like anything now because obviously this is out of the box. We've got to play with her, but she's got tons of potential. So this is my right side. This is the back with all my tags. Let me see if I get them out of the way. And this is the left. Okay. Yeah, so we've got to just shape this a little bit, poof it up a little bit, you know, put some piece out cream in it. And then this, I think we could rock. Oh yeah, we're going to rock Victoria. Especially with the little, yeah, we are going to rock Victoria. Oh yeah. Yep. She's a beautiful short one. Very short, very nice short pixie. All right, and then the last one is Dallas. Dallas. What did I just do to the camera? What color did I get Dallas? I got Dallas in 4. All right, so we open the box and look inside. She's a dark one. Okay. Let's take her inside. All the stuffing out. And all of the netting off. And I know some of you don't like me in dark colors, but I love them all. And to be honest, my natural bio hair is dark brown. So it's what's the most familiar to me. So it does hurt a little bit when you say I don't look good in dark brown because that's my bio hair. All right, so anyway, this is Dallas. Now Dallas, I thought Dallas was way curlier. I thought Dallas was like super curly. Let's take a look at the cap. Yeah, I thought Dallas was super curly. All right, so she's got open ears, basic cap, basic extended. I'm trying to look for scissors to cut these off so that you could see in the back. Let me just try to. All right. I'm going to just take the tag off of this one because it's kind of hard. It's, I just don't want to take the tags off if I'm not going to keep them. But you know me, I don't really return anything. So even though I think Razor Glomp's going to be my first return because that's, I mean, it's ripped. All right. So I thought Dallas was curly. I am absolutely loving this color. I think the 4 is dark brown. All right, let's put her on and see. Yeah, I thought she was curly. Let me see if she's heat. Is she fiber resistant? She's Whisper Light. She's Whisper Light. But yeah, I mean, she's Whisper Light, so the fibers are gorgeous. Fibers feel beautiful. Fiber feels beautiful, but I thought she was very curly. But this is cute. This is cute. She needs a little bit of work. I would move the part a little bit. I think she's too far over. I would try to see if I can move the part because this is like too far over. But I think she has a lot of potential. The fibers feel beautiful. I love the fibers. I gotta see if she's, I mean, it would say it on here, wouldn't it? I gotta look her up. I wanna see if she's heat resistant because I think I would probably want to curl her a little bit. Unless maybe I do one without curl. I mean, that's true. But she definitely needs a little work. I don't feel a lot of permatease in there either. Probably just in the back. So she's cute, I think. I think she's got potential. I love the color. All right, let's see. This is my right. This is my back. And this is my left. Yep. And this is like my natural hair color, basically. Fairly close to my natural hair color. I mean, now you can't really tell because it's bald and it's gray. It's got a lot of grays, but this is very close to my natural hair color. Mine is maybe a little bit lighter. Not a little bit lighter than the dark brown, but very close to my bio color. All right, that's Dallas. I am a little disappointed on the out of the box. I am definitely a little disappointed on out of the box. So leave me your thoughts on Dallas, if anybody has Dallas, if this is the way she came for you. Because I thought that she was curly. I mean, in the books, it shows her curly, and she's like totally flat as can be. So I'm a little surprised at that. but I actually like it at the same time because, you know, I've got Leighton, Deidre, Maya, gosh, I've got everybody, Kona, you know, all of them, you know, the moms like this, but they're all curly. So this is kind of nice to have a bob like this that's, you know, a little straight. It's not totally straight because it does have, like, if I put some water in it and some, you know, sea salt. See, I want to play with it because I think it's cute. All right, so if we play with it a little bit, you see how cute she's getting? Just, you know, give her some life. Yeah, see how cute she's getting? Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like Dallas. I definitely like Dallas. All right, what do you guys think? As always, leave me your feedback. I definitely like the other hair mail better. Definitely like the other one better. All right, this is it, hair mail. And so next one's coming will be all of my installs for the week. So I will see you on the other side. All right, like, subscribe, share. You know what to do. If you're still watching and not subscribed, why? Hit that subscribe. All right, see you in the next ones.